guys, my name is Julianne, and today I'm going to be giving a demonstration of how powerful the Eureka WhirlWind is on hardwood surfaces. So this vacuum is totally amazing on all floor types. I'm talking tile, upholstery, carpet, and once again, hardwood floor. So it's super amazing. I've got my hardwood desk right here and my vacuum all pieced together. There's different mode settings that you can change the vacuum cleaner right here. So it's got a couch mode, upholstery, carpet, and tile, or hardwood floor. So right now we've got on the hardwood floor setting, and then right here I've got my bristles up since I'm using on hardwood floor, and if I was using on carpet I'd put them down. So once again, there's so many different versatile ways to use this vacuum cleaner, and it's got such a spacious canister too. I just wanted to share that really fast. Such a spacious canister and large wheels, making it so easy to move around and you don't have to dump the canister a million times, which is absolutely awesome. And then this is retractable, so you can make it longer. So like, y'all, you can literally reach your ceiling so easily with this because it's so long. So super cool. And you can also use it in handheld position. It's got a 2-in-1 attachment right here. I've got my dust brush right here, and then it turns into a regular crevice tool as well. So super cool. Right now I've got my vacuum attachment on right here, which is awesome for upholstery and flooring and all different types of surfaces. So let's go ahead and make a little bit of a mess and see just how powerful this vacuum cleaner is. So, another cool thing is the cord actually retracts back into the vacuum cleaner. So you simply just press this button and the cord spirals all the way back into the vacuum, which is super cool. So you don't have to worry about having a cord to wrap around the vacuum cleaner. It just stores inside. So total game changer. All right, so I'm gonna turn on the vacuum cleaner with a simple press of a button. And just like that, all of the crumbs and everything are picked up off of the surface. So this vacuum cleaner works wonderfully even on hardwood floor, which was very important to me because I've got a pretty primarily hardwood floor house. So I'm absolutely so excited about this. It also works wonderfully with pet hair as well. I do have a dog that sheds like no tomorrow, and it's wonderful at picking up all of that dog hair. So this vacuum is absolutely amazing, and I definitely recommend.